Morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the earthquake in Haiti in 2010. This one is a little close to me. My family actually went down there with their church and helped out with the repairs. I thought that was just an amazing thing, and hearing the stories about the people down there and what they had, it's truly a sad event. Um, I laugh because it's showing 7.2 on CNN on this newscast I found, but everything else I've found it maxed out at a 7.0. Um, yes. So this happened on January 12th, 2020. Um, the total length of the event was 8 days. It started at 4:53 p.m. on the 12th with a magnitude of 7.0 and two aftershocks of 5.9 and 5.5. More aftershocks occurred in the following days, and one 5.9 magnitude earthquake or aftershock on the 20th, 8 days later. The first one hit about 25 kilometers south of the capital of Port-au-Prince, and the last one was about 55 kilometers west of the capital. So Haiti is on a plate boundary between the North American plate and the Caribbean plate. It's a convergent plate boundary. Obviously, it influenced the event because they were hitting each other. It was a left lateral strike slip fault where it happened. Um, the earthquake was a 7.0 magnitude and had several aftershocks in the 5.0 to 5.9 range in the week following. With the lack of infrastructure code and inadequate reinforcement of the buildings, many of them did not hold up to the earthquake, causing major damage to all major buildings in the capital city, including the penitentiary, hospitals, and major government buildings. Massive amount of damage was done. This was just absolutely wild. Um, Between the actual damage of the 7.0 earthquake and the lack of modernized living, the damage to the housing, buildings, hospitals, everything. Just can't even imagine it living in what we live in. The total cost was $2 billion to repair it. About 220,000 people died either from the earthquake or the aftermath of the damage. Lack of hospitals didn't help, I'm sure. If Haiti was helped by stronger nations to help them get better building material and the education to build stronger buildings, especially in a plate collision area, Haiti's definitely known for earthquakes. They could have had a stronger infrastructure and tried to stand up to the earthquake. I think if they had the equipment to follow the seismic activity, maybe they could have warned the population and maybe saved some lives in the future. All we can do is help rebuild better, stronger. There will always be a risk on living on a plate boundary like that, but there aren't many options for these people to pick up and leave to a safer space. We can help them monitor the area and possibly work with the locals and the UN to give them warning signs. But without the modern power and electrical needs for some of the monitoring, this could just be a pipe dream. Hopefully, we can do better. They can do better, and we don't see these kind of damages again. Thank you.